Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the basics match. NovaBot firmware and the Photon SDK must be compatible, otherwise the handshake fails. Once done, paste your Photon app ID into the bot config and pick the region and protocol, TCP for reliability, UDP for low latency. Make sure you can reach the robot on 192, 168, X using SSH or serial. Then open the Photon port on your router if needed, and proceed immediately to upload the network credentials to the bot. You now modify the NovaBot code to instantiate the Photon client. Initialize with app ID, cluster, and the auth token. Once initialized, call connect, then join the intended room or lobby so state syncs. Make sure you handle callbacks for on-connected, on-join, and on event to accept commands and telemetry. Test that state serialization matches Photon expectations and run a local simulator to verify events, inspecting logs for event codes, latency spikes, and packet loss to refine retries and compression settings. You finish by flashing the updated firmware and joining the production Photon room, then watch telemetry to confirm real-time control and correct state replication. Make sure you tune heartbeat intervals and retransmit thresholds so the connection stays stable under load, and adjust state delta granularity to reduce bandwidth. If something fails, capture the bot and Photon client logs, enable verbose tracing, and roll back the most recent change. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals misconfigured tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.